In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert date and time using Shortcut in Excel. If you often find yourself typing dates or times by hand in spreadsheets, this will save you a ton of time and ensure consistency. We're going to use two built-in keyboard shortcuts that instantly stamp the current date or the current time into a cell. These shortcuts work on both Windows and Mac keyboards. First, decide exactly where you want the date or time to appear and click that cell to make it active. You'll see a border around it and the cursor waiting at the top in the formula bar. That's your cue that Excel is ready. To insert today's date, hold the Control key and press the semicolon key. You should immediately see today's date appear in the selected cell. This is a static value. Think of it like a stamp. It won't change tomorrow, next week, or when you recalculate. That makes it perfect for logging when something was received, approved, or completed, without worrying that it will update later. To insert the current time, hold Control and Shift together, then press the semicolon key. Excel will drop in the current time based on your computer's clock. Like the date, this is also a static timestamp. By default, you'll typically see hours and minutes. The exact display depends on your cell's formatting and your regional settings. If you want both the date and the time in one cell, a simple workflow is to insert the date first with Control plus semicolon, press the spacebar to add a space, and then insert the time with Control, Shift, and semicolon. You'll end up with a neat combined timestamp, ideal for tracking when a record was created. A quick note about formatting. If what appears looks like a number, don't worry. That just means the cell is formatted as general or number. Apply a date or time format to display it the way you expect. Also, whether you see a short date, a long date, or a 12-hour versus 24-hour time depends on your format and system preferences. Remember, these shortcuts create fixed values. If you need a date or time that updates automatically whenever the sheet recalculates or opens, consider using functions like today for the date or now for date and time. Those are dynamic and will refresh, which is great for dashboards but not for permanent records. To recap in one line, click the target cell, press Control plus semicolon for the date, and press Control, Shift, plus semicolon for the time. That's all there is to it. That's all.